Okay class, today we're going to research what we want to be when we grow up.
What I want to be when I grow up, I had no idea.
You might choose to work in business, healthcare, education, or manufacturing.
Manufacturing? Now there's an idea. Just then there was a knock on the door.
His shirt said Hodge Foundry.
Now is my chance to learn about manufacturing career.
What do you make at Hodge Foundry?
Hodge Foundry makes gray and ductile iron castings ranging from 100 pounds up to 200,000 pounds.
Then more Hodge Foundry employees came.
Can you describe the process?
So the process all starts with a pattern. It could be foam or wood. We then take that pattern and create a mold. And what we'll do is we'll ram sand around the pattern, extract it, which creates a cavity in that mold. After the mold is created, we'll put the two halves together, and then what we'll do after that is pour molten iron into that cavity. After it sits and cools down, it creates the shape. Once the shape is created, it'll go through what we call shakeout, and it gets broken down, and then the casting is pulled out, which is an exact replica of that pattern. After it sits for a couple days, we'll do some finishing and cleaning, and do any type of painting, outside heat treat, final inspection, and then we ship that off to the customer.
What's the most challenging part of your job?
One of the biggest challenges at Hodge Foundry is we are a job shop, which makes a lot of onesies, twosies. It's a different product each day, so it's a different challenge each day because the products are different on different scales. It's an exciting part of it, but it's also a tough part.
Now I know what Hodge Foundry does, but what could I do there? What kinds of positions are available in the manufacturing industry?
There's a multitude of positions in the manufacturing businesses, anywhere from labor and production through engineering and design to sales and accounting and all the positions that support the manufacturing process.
Why is a career in manufacturing a good choice for young people?
I think it's a good choice for young people because it's an opportunity to come in and establish yourself in a good industry, work your way up if you're willing to learn and continue to advance your career.
Mrs. Rosavi, I know what I want to be when I grow up.